Hi there, good morning. I am Marcelino El Galido of Best in Town Property PH, a licensed real estate broker and a partner of Greenfield Development Corporation. We are here to the segment of Best in Town Property PH na tanong mo, sagot ko. Ang tanong, wait ko na lang siguro bumaba ang interest rates bago ako kumuha. Wow! Classic mistake, Bes! The best time to buy real estate was yesterday. The second best time is today. Habang nagwi-wait ka, tumataas din ang value ng property. Baka pag ready ka na, out of the budget na ang dream unit mo. Start with pre-selling with Sadia today para lock in na ang price mo habang mababa pa. Be smart about your hard-earned money. Pag-usapan natin yung option mo. Send us a message to book your tripping schedule. Tara na! This is Marcelino El Galido of Best in Town Property PH, a PRC licensed real estate broker and an accredited partner of Greenfield Development Corporation, helping you find not just a property, but the right investment for your future. Thank you very much.